Hey friends, let's jump straight into this fantastic song, and we're just in standard tuning. As always, we'll do all the guitar parts. Let me play the intro, then I'll break it down. So guitar 1, we're just playing an E power chord, so 7 on the A, 9 on the D and the G, and do it down, up, down. Then we're doing it another 3 times. We're going to go E, E, E. Then do the first one again, down, up, down, and then the E's again, E, E, E. And that's guitar 1. Then we have guitar 2. We're just palm muting 8th note, so we have the open E string 7th fret on the A string, and we're doing it for 4 bars. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 they're the parts to the intro. So guitar 1 for our verse, we're just doing the palm muting open E, 7th fret on the A, and we're doing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go back to the C sharp, play it 2 times. The G sharp once, and do that again. C sharp 2 times. To the G sharp. And we just do that 4 times, and that's guitar 1. Let's have a look at guitar 2. So again, we're just doing the palm muting open E, 7 on the A, and the same count as guitar 1. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. This time we play the C sharp 2 times. Go to the G sharp, play it once, then do 4 palm mutes. 2, 3, 4, and do that again. C sharp to the G sharp. 2, 3, 4, 5. That time there on the palm mutes. Then we go back to our palm muting again on the E, same. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again the C sharp 2 times. To the G sharp once with 4 palm mutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. C sharp again 2 times. To the G sharp once. This time do 3 palm mutes. 1, 2, 3. Then just play the 4 on the E and slide down. And we're doing that part twice. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So 2 times with that part, and then to finish the verse off, we just go back to our palm muting again on the E. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Our C sharp again 2 times. To our G, once, 4 palm mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4. C sharp 2 times. Back to our G once, do 2 palm mutes, and then just play the 4 on the E 2 times, no palm mute. And they're the parts to the verse. So for guitar 1 in our pre-chorus, we're just doing an A power chord, do down, up, down. Then do the same on a B power chord. Back to the A the same. Back to the B the same. Then we're going to take 4 on the D and the G, slide up to 12. Stop it, and then do the 12 on the D and the G 2 more times. 14 on the A and the D. Back to 12, D and G 2 times. And that's guitar 1. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. just palm muting the whole time here. Again, eighth notes, do our A power chord for 2 bars. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and up to the B power chord, again 2 bars. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and same back on the A again. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then when we go back to the B, do 2 palm mutes, and then we're just going to play the B but off, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we just hold the B there, and they're the parts to the pre-chorus. Now before we go on, welcome to my channel dedicated just to Kiss songs. Here you'll get guitar lessons from all eras, from the early classics to deep cuts and everything in between. And I'll be uploading a new song every week and covering all the guitar parts. So please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let's keep going. So guitar 1, we're just doing the E power chord, our down, up, down again. Do to the A power chord 2 times, the D power chord once, and we're repeating that again, the E, back to the A 2 times, then do the D 2 times, then play the open E string, and we're going to play 7 on the D and the G, hammer onto 9 3 times. Then just play the 7, slide down, do the A 2 more times, to the D power chord, then you're going to play 5 on the A, 6 on the D and the G, and hammer onto 7 on the D and the G 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that last part slowly. And that's guitar 1. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. So guitar 2, we're doing the 9th fret on the D and the G, do a down, up, and then 2 down. Go to 11 D and G, back to 9 D and G, play the 9 D and G again, go back to 9 A and D, 7 A and D 2 times, 7 D and G 3 times with our down, up, down, 7 D and G, 9 A and D. So slowly. Then just play the open E string, and we're going back to 9 D and G to 11 D and G, back to 9, and then we finish it the same. 9 D and G, 9 A and D, back to 7 A and D 2 times, 7 D and G 3 times, down, up, down, and our 7 D and G to 9 A and D. Then repeat that again. So we have the open E, 9, 11, 9, 9, 9 on the A and the D, 7 on the A and the D 2 times. Then just play 7 on the D and the G 8 times there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they're all the parts to the chorus. So for our verse, guitar 1 stays the same, we're just playing it through 2 times. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So do that 2 times. Guitar 2 is starting from our second part. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, and our slide down on the 4, and then we play the last part of guitar 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 2 palm mutes, then 4 2 times off. And that's our second verse there. Then we have our pre-chorus, and guitar 1 and 2 stay the same. So guitar 1 for our second chorus, start's going to stay the same, the E, to the A 2 times, to the D once, repeat that again, the E, the A 2 times, do the D twice, open E and our 7 hammer onto 9, back to the A 2 times, to the D, now we're repeating the first one again, back to the E 3 times, the A 2 times, the D 2 times, our little fill again, open E 7 and 9, 7, back to the A 2 times, to the D, and then our build up on the 6 D and G, hammering onto the 7 D and G 7 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's guitar 1. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. So guitar 2 is going to start out exactly the same as our previous chorus. Back to the 7s, 7 again, 7, 9. Then this next part we're doing 3 times. So the open E, 9 D and G, 11, 9, 9, 9 A and D, 7 A and D 2 times, 7 D and G 3 times, 7 D and G, 9 A and D. So we did that in the previous chorus, but do that 3 times. So 3 times there, then the 4th time, start stays the same. 7 on the A and the D 2 times, and then just do the build up on the 7 D and G 8 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's our second chorus there. So then we have our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. Let me talk you through this because it's nearly exactly the same as our verse. We just have the E palm muting again, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back to our C sharp, to our G sharp, and again. Repeat that again. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, C sharp 2 times, to the G sharp, do that again. Then play the G sharp 2 times and move up 1 fret to the A. So, and that's guitar 1. Now guitar 2 is the same as guitar 2 for our verse again, just with our end part on again. So. Now do 2 palm mutes, and then our G sharp 2 times to our A. So. And that's our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. So for our bridge, we just don't play for the first 8 bars, and then we're doing the end of the pre-chorus with the A to the B, and our slide up. And our fill, that's guitar 1, and guitar 2 is just doing the palm muting on the A for 2 bars, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and coming up to the B, 2 palm mutes, and then 7 off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's our bridge there. So for our outro chorus, guitar 1 just plays the second chorus all the way through, then we're just adding this next part on and we're playing this to the end. So we're just doing the E again, the A 2 times, to the D 2 times, the open E and our 7 D and G hammer onto 9 3 times, 7 D and G slide back, our A 2 times to our D, and just keep repeating that there. Our second guitar is also just playing the second chorus, and then we have this last part added on as well. So just the open E, D D and G, 9, 11, 9, do the 9 again to 9, A and D, back to 7, A and D 2 times, 7, D and G 3, and play it again and back to 9, A and D. And we just keep repeating that to the end. So there are all the rhythm parts. Now let's have a look at the solo. So we're just starting on 11G, 12B, and just do a slight bend there. Then stay on 11G, 12B, just bend the 11, play the 12 at the same time, then play 12E, and then do a bend and release on the 11G, 12B. Then just play 9G, 11D, 9G, back to the 11G, 12B, bend, then just play, then back to the 9G, 11D, 9G, so slowly. Then we have our little fill. Then you're going to play 12 on the G and the B, hammer onto 13 on the G. Then just play 12B, 12E, back to 13G, 12B, 12E, 15 on the B, jump to 13 on the G, 12 on the B, then just bend 15E 2 times, then a half bend. It's that last part. And there's a harmony on that, we're just bending on the 20 on the E 2 times, the last bends, and 20. And there are all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Is That You guitar lesson. Don't forget, if you love Kiss, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you soon.